would you like to throw some light on how BAPES Clan will help becoming an eventually meta investor?
Yeah, so what we did was we utilized the NFT marketplace as a new way to generate capital for projects or opportunities. So you have the traditional mechanisms of going out and raising money from
Right.
friends and family, or pitching it to VCs or private equity funds or angel investors. And then you have this NFT vehicle, which we've seen generates tremendous audiences, customer bases, or community, as well as when you hit it, can bring in a lot of capital because people want to be part of it. So the Metavestor concept with BAPES Clan was, okay, let's create a vehicle to really protect the NFT and the community and the digital assets, and give the opportunity for them to have a higher demand and create that short side of supply and demand, that people want this. So in my mind, we're creating the Berkshire Hathaway Class A stock, where you have something that is extremely valuable, people want to have, but more importantly, they never want to sell. They want to pass it down to generation to generation to generation. So utilizing incredible digital designs from Shake Danielle, which are, we have a team of animators and designers from Pixar, Disney, 20th Century Fox. So you have really beautiful visuals on the digital asset themselves of that NFT, which I still think is some of the best ones that I see in the market. So you create that excitement and that engagement, and people saying, wow, what is that? That's so different than what's out there. Then you start to show the suite of very successful entrepreneurs that we've brought in to support the project. So we have over 25 CEOs of major conglomerates of over 25 different industries, are very seasoned people that understand their industry. So not only are you bringing in capital for potential meta investments into projects, but you're also giving that capital access to big customer bases, IP, technologies, big corporations, business partners. So you de-risk the trade. So sometimes raising the money is easier than actually building the business. But in this case, we're bringing in the capital solution, but we're also bringing in support from professionals that have access to be able to create and support businesses. So now you take the DAO model, which all of our NFT holders vote on metaverse or Web3 related companies that we think are interesting. So the DAO or the BAPES Clan NFT holders vote on the projects that are worthy of a meta investment. So they get the capital injection to support those projects, but they also get now the 25 plus people to help build the business of those projects that they never would have access to. So we're really eliminating the risk of a failed opportunity, because we're creating so much momentum and support and resources that most startups, most well-established companies don't even have access to. So we're really generating this push to utilizing capital, creating opportunities, demand, and supporting that capital with very, very seasoned professionals that know how to run businesses and know how to move the needle on making something happen. And we're seeing that to work. Everybody seems extremely excited about what we're doing. The first collection humbly sold out. The second collection beyond sold out, 10,000 units within 30 seconds during that whitelist period. And people are bragging and showing off now their family.
Amazing to see that.
Well, thank you. We couldn't do it without people like you and this amazing community. And now we're looping in, what does the household look like? Typically, you have a pet in the household. So now we're taking the next step of the BAPES Clan Genesis 1, which is the parents. Then we had the BAPES Future, which are the kids, or the BAPESes, as some people call them. And now when you have one of each, you'll be able to mint a pet for your household. So you start to see all this interesting movement and visuals come together. And then that will open up opportunities to partner with the pet industry and what else goes on in that household. So to really create value, products, service, and solutions that generate excitement, generate rewards, and then create win-win opportunities for everybody that's involved with BAPES and BAPES Clan.
That's wonderful.